Hi everyone, it's Brandon from All American Thrills, and you're watching our 15th Laff Trakk construction update at Hersheypark. Since our last update, more of the building has been enclosed, so we're about to take off with Alt Air, as well as take some ground footage right now. Let's go! We're starting out our Alt Air flight near Laff Trakk's construction site. In fact, we're still over the construction site, but we have the camera spun around looking at the gorgeous sunset behind Wildcat. You can see Wild Mouse now and some of the boardwalk. We're actually zooming in now. As we get a little bit closer, you'll notice, as you know, the Ferris wheel has been taken down for maintenance this winter. As we're zooming in, you can actually see the gondolas for the Ferris wheel, the cars that you sit in, sitting next to the Decades restaurant in the water park section. So that's kind of cool. Now we're spinning around to take a look at Laff Trakk. Going over to the left a bit, as you can see, the building is pretty much entirely enclosed now. Now we have some ground footage here now that you can see the construction worker, one of them's waving. They are about to be lifting up one of the large pieces of the exterior siding, the white wall. The mechanism that they're using it's almost like really big suction cups almost. And they lift it up and they're able to bring it right over to the spot that they're going to be installing it and putting it into place. It's a very fast process. Being lowered down now by the crane. And now it's being put into place. So this is a cool and unique perspective that I don't think anyone has posted an actual video of the siding being put into place. And now we're switching it back over to Alt Air, flying over to the right. As I mentioned, the building is now pretty much entirely enclosed. There are still some openings for construction workers to get in and out, as well as equipment. No track has been installed yet for the coaster. We're not sure when that will happen. Some work still needs to be done on the inside of the building before that can happen. But there is an opening for the building on one side of the building where equipment and track is going to be brought in and out. The red roof underneath there is going to be the indoor section of the queue and the pre-show room. So now, flying back, Alt Air. Alt Air's coming in for a landing with Kyle catching today. Okay, so that wraps up our 15th Laff Trakk construction update at Hersheypark. Make sure you like All American Thrills on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and browse around on our website, allamericanthrills.com, for much more family-friendly theme park news and updates. Thank you for watching. See ya!